Hey guys, welcome to another video. Alright, so I'm going to be doing my analysis of Dogecoin today. I know it's been a while, but I've been monitoring it, just not uploading. Um, so as you can see, we're on Kraken.com. As I said before, this is where I keep my cryptocurrency, well, some of them. Dogecoin is still number 12, trading at 5.5 cents, and in the last 24 hours, it has seen negative 7.75% reduction in price. So Kraken does it by the 24 hours, so keep that in mind. Now to the charts, as we can see here, we're seeing a steady decline in price. Now, in a few of my videos I made in the past, I did say that one, Dogecoin is not a get-rich-quick coin, it's not a get-rich-quick crypto, but there are ways that you could have made some serious money trading Dogecoin, or even just buy and sell trading, not trading as in you know, charting up and all of that. Just to buy high, not buy, just to buy low and sell high. You could have made some money. Moving over here, if you had $20,000, which is at the current rate, it is worth 342,395.3982 Dogecoin, and this is at the current 5.5 cent rate. If you had bought with it at the 3 cent rate, 20,000, and it made it up to here, this area here, the 8 cent, almost 9 cent region, you would be seeing about 35,000 plus. Yeah, you would be seeing about that. Reason being, when I purchased Dogecoin, I keep telling you guys I purchased around the 3 cent margin here. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, so I purchased around the 3 cent margin here. This is 0.029. So this is where I originally got in. So I purchased here and I also purchased here. But when price got to almost 9 cents, my portfolio almost doubled. Alright, so the amount of money I spent on Dogecoin almost doubled. Which means that if somebody had gotten in and gotten in at this era with, say, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, you would be seeing almost double your amount. So 20,000, you'd be seeing probably about a $15,000 profit. That's what you probably would have been seeing. 50, you probably would have been seeing about 25,000 profit, somewhere there about. But I'm telling you that most persons' portfolio doubled, almost doubled. It was really close, right? So that is how some persons initially made, just came in the market just to make some quick money and then got out. That is how some persons did that. So originally we had drawn up our trend line here to show that the trend was moving upwards. Now if we were to continue this trend line up here, you would see where the trend line was broken, and then it being broken here just continued, it just moved down to the downside. A few videos ago I did say that I would love to see Dogecoin make a huge retracement. I would love to see it either hold current price or make a huge retracement. Why? One, for me, greed. Because I really wanted to get back into the market and then get some more Dogecoin. I really want to really stockpile this thing. Because as it stands now, if you have a lot of Dogecoin, you don't need it to get to the price that Bitcoin is to be, considerably worth. Right? So if you had originally invested $20,000, and this is what Dogecoin, this is the amount of Dogecoin you would get, and Dogecoin makes it to $1 after this. Do the math. Alright, do the math. So essentially what I'm saying is it doesn't need to get to 40,000, 30,000 for you to see a certain amount of wealth. It doesn't need to get there. Okay. So for the past few days we've been seeing steady downside movement. We haven't been seeing any drastic drops, just steady downside movements. which to me indicates a possible retracement. Okay, that's what it indicates to me. So the trend has changed from upside movement to downside movement, and then we're seeing some form of retracement here. Where will the retracement stop? I think it could go as low as 4 cents. As low as 4 cents. I don't think if it goes below 4 cents, I would be surprised. To be honest with you, if it goes below 4 cents, I'll be surprised. But I think 4 cents is the minimum it may go. And to be honest, all of this area here, where is it? All of this area here, in my opinion, is ideal for getting into buys right now. Anything within this area. So I have already taken advantage of this drop here. And anything within this price range would be good price range to start buying. As I said before, my personal opinion, this right here is a major area of support. Major area of support. From the, let's see here, from the 3.039 cent area to here, major area of support. So anything within this area, definitely a good place to buy. And as I said before, this is my personal opinion. I'm not a financial analyst, but I've already taken advantage of this, and I plan to take even more advantage of it in the coming days to ensure that I maximize the amount of Dogecoin I can get and hold. And as I said before, I do plan on holding. It occurred to me to possibly just buy and sell, buy low and sell high, and keep buying low and selling high. It occurred to me, but if I'd rather trade the trade crypto, Doge USD. I'd rather trade that than just buy low and then sell. I'd rather do that. Excuse me. Let me see what's going on here. So we are in the hour time frame, 47 minutes left in this hour time frame. I will see this big bullish candle here. No, I don't think it's going to push much higher than that. Excuse me. It probably will just top out here and then probably continue its way down or range in this area for a little bit. That is how I see it going at this point in time. As I said before, I am looking for. It is possibly that it could continue to make a downside move, but this area here is the major support zone that I don't think it will break. Excuse me, cold. Now, as it relates to Elon Musk's message or tweet, if major Dogecoin holders sell most of their coins, it will get my full support. Too much concentration is the only real issue, in my opinion. Now, I tend to agree with him here, and not because I'm going with the grain, but I do agree with him. In my previous videos, I said I wanted to get as much purchases for Dogecoin at the lowest price possible, which is why I was hoping that Dogecoin would not just soar to the moon immediately and would either consolidate at a certain price or retrace down to a certain price so that I could get back in. Remember, that's what I said in my videos. No, I need price to do that because I am not rich and I was not able to buy the amount that I wanted to buy off the bat. Okay? I was not able to do that. A lot of rich people were able to do that. A lot of rich people were able to do that. So they were able to say, alright, you know what? I have $2 million that I'm going to invest in Dogecoin. And boom, they invested $2 million. $2 million in Dogecoin gave them a substantial amount of Dogecoin. Let's see actually how much they got. So we have 20,000 here. 20. So that's 2 million right there. Computer is moving really slow right now. So 2 million US dollars would give us 34,200,000 and 39,539.8200 Dogecoin. That is what 2 million US would give you. 34 million. Now, and that is at its current price. Now imagine this. Imagine one single Dogecoin being worth $1. Just do the math. Alright? Imagine Dogecoin pushes to $5, $10 in the next few years, with this just left as a constant purchase. So they do nothing to it, they just spend $2 million and just leave it as is. This is what they got at the time, and now Dogecoin is worth $5. Now imagine the profit that those rich people are seeing right here. Imagine that profit. This is the concentration he's talking about. The money, the wealth, the vast amount of wealth and money made from Dogecoin will not be decentralized. It will be concentrated within a certain circle. So these same rich people will have most of the money. Alright, so that's what he's saying. Which, you know, we all want to get there. We all want to get rich. But at the end of the day, you know, as I said before, I do agree with him. So that is essentially what his tweet is talking about. Now, drop in the comments. Are you guys holding? Are you guys selling? Have you guys sold and been out just watching? What are you guys doing? Personally, for me, as I said before, I am holding this diamond hands for the next probably 10 years. I have given it that 10 years. Alright? It may not take that length of time, but I have all of these investments that I'm doing for Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, it's a long-term investment for me. I am not looking for any short-term. If I see a possibility where I can, you know, make it work, then I will. But all of this is for the long term. So just drop in the comments below what you guys are doing. Thanks for watching.